guys, this is Tanya Tyagi. Today we are going for NISM revision series, especially for Investment Advisor 10A. In this video, we are covering chapter number 7, that is concept of financial planning. So, let's get started. So the first topic is what are the steps in formulating the financial planning. So the step number 1 is establishing and defining the client relationship. Second, gathering client data including goals. Third, analyzing and evaluating current situation and needs. Fourth, developing and presenting recommendations. Fifth, implementing the recommendations. Sixth, monitoring and reviewing the financial plan are the steps involved in the financial planning. Now, the need for financial advisory services. Longer lifespan and lack of social security, proliferation of numerous products and plethora of information, complexity of products and services, increasing income and saving levels, increasing level of borrowings, higher aspiration and goals, inflation, nuclear families. Goals described in terms of the money required to meet it at a point of time in future is called financial goal. Each financial goal contains two important components, that is value of the goal and second is time to go. Conservative investors do not like to take risk with their investments. Typically new to risky instruments, prefer to keep their money in the bank or in safe income yielding instruments. May be willing to invest a small portion in risky assets if it is likely to be better for longer term. Second is moderate investors. They may have some experience of investment, including investing in risky assets such as equities. They understand that they have to take investment risk in order to meet their long-term goals. They are likely to be willing to take risk with a part of their available assets. The third is aggressive investors who have used a range of investment products in the past and who may not take an active approach to managing their investment, willing to take on investment risk and understand that is crucial to gathering long-term return. Willing to take risk with a significant portion of their assets. Risk preference of the investors are taken into account while constructing an investment portfolio.